We have here the Benq GS2, what Benq is calling your best playmate. It's a portable projector that is good for use in the room or to bring along with you when you travel. So let's take a look at what they've given us. Comes in a very, very nice and handy pouch. We'll take a look at that later. A handy Wi-Fi dongle. Usual documentation, warranties, quick start guide. And that's it. I'm guessing the cables will be inside the box, the bag I mean. And yes, they are. Standard power supply. Nice array of power cords for multiple countries, and the projector itself. As you can see, it is a rather blocky shape. All the controls are accessible on the top, which should make this rather user-friendly to set up and use, which we'll find out later. Power cord, looks to be like an old Apple MagSafe, which is handy. Here it is. As you can see, there are connector ports, USB-C, HDMI, USB for the Wi-Fi dongle. So that should make things a lot easier. There's also audio out for additional speakers.